welcome back once again. Today we shall continue our discussion on a photoelectric effect that we have already discussed in our previous class about photoelectric effect. What is photoelectric effect? When a light of a certain frequency falls on the surface of certain metals, then what we have seen, electrons are emitted out from their metal surfaces. Correct? What we have to remember is light of certain frequency falls, that particular frequency in which light falls, that we have discussed as nu zero. Nu zero is our threshold frequency. Threshold frequency is the that minimum frequency which is required for the electron to eject out from the metal surfaces. This is not shown by all the metals. Certain metals like cesium and all shows this particular phenomena where light of certain frequency falls on their surfaces. They emit out, they eject electrons from their surfaces. This phenomena we call it as a photoelectric effect. What is photoelectric effect? The ejection of electrons from the metal surfaces of certain metals when light of certain particular threshold frequency falls on it. This threshold frequency, when we considering the amount of energy, that we call it as threshold energy, that we write it as h nu zero. As you have already studied, h nu is the photon of energy. The minimum energy is h nu means the photon of energy. Here h nu is equal to this h nu zero, that is the threshold energy which required for the electron to get emitted from their surfaces. Correct? This threshold energy plus kinetic energy of the emitted electron. So the energy of photon is equal to the threshold energy plus the kinetic energy of the emitted electron. Children, here this h nu is the energy of the incident photon, and this h nu zero is the threshold energy, which is also called work function. And this kinetic energy is the half mv square, we can say. Half mv square is the kinetic energy of ejected electron. Okay? So now let's do one question. Light of wavelength 5000 angstrom falls on a metal surface of work function 1.9 electron volts. Okay? First you have to convert this electron volt into joules. I will explain that. Find the energy of photons, and second we have to also find kinetic energy of photoelectrons. Okay children, what is given in the question is wavelength is given. Wavelength 5000 angstrom. Okay, that is equal to 5000 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Right children? So this can be written in terms of scientific notation, that is 5 into, so here from here 3 points come this side, so it will be 10 raised to minus 7 meter. Next what is given? Next we have a work function. Work function is h nu zero, that is the threshold energy, we can say. Threshold energy is also called work function. Work function is given that 1.9 electron volts. 9 into, in order to convert electron volt into joules, we have to multiply 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joules. Okay children, what you have to do? You have to multiply 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. That is, you can write since 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joules. Okay, so 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. Then you can any electron volt you can convert by multiplying with this particular value, that is the conversion of electron volt into joules. So according to the question, first step is step 1. We have energy of photons. We have to calculate the energy of photons. Correct? So energy of photons E is equal to h nu. Children, we have studied that energy of photon is equal to h nu. Here Planck's constant we know, but nu we do not have, isn't it? So instead of nu we have a wavelength, isn't it? Nu is also equal to c upon lambda, we can write, that is hc upon lambda, right? Since we know how much is c is the velocity of light, and lambda we have this is 5 into 10 raised to minus 17, that is the wavelength given in the question. By substituting h is 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34, that is our Planck's constant, into c is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per seconds, and lambda we have how much? Lambda is 5 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter. Okay, this is our Planck's constant, and this is our velocity of light, that is equal to 3.97 into 10 raised to minus 19 joules is the energy of photons. Now what we have to find out? We have to also find in step 2, we have to also find the kinetic energy, Ke, kinetic energy of photoelectrons. Ke half mv square is equal to h nu minus h nu 0. Children, you know that h nu is the energy and h nu 0 is the threshold energy. Okay, the minimum energy we have to minus from the actual energy, then we will get the kinetic energy of the ejected photon, that is equal to, what is the energy of photon we have find out. So here energy of photon h nu we have calculated 3.97 into 10 raised to minus 19, 3.97 into 10 raised to minus 19 joules minus work function is we have converted it into joules, that is 1.9 into 1.6 into 10 raised to 10. What you have to do? You have to multiply 1.6 into, you have to multiply 1.9 into 1.6. This is this one into 10 raised to minus 19 joules. So first you complete this, then you can minus, since 10 raised to minus 19 are similar, you can minus it out. This is equal to 3.97 into 10 raised to minus 19. This one minus 3.4 into 10 raised to minus 19 joules. So since both are in joules, you can minus this two. This comes 0.93 into 10 raised to minus 19 joules. So when you convert 0.93 into scientific time, you will get 9.3 into 10 raised to the power minus 20 joules. Okay, children, that is this value is the kinetic energy of photoelectrons. I hope you understood. Let us do another question. In a photoelectric effect experiment, irradiation of a metal with a light of frequency is 5.2 into 10 raised to 14 Second inverse yields electrons with the maximum kinetic energy 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 19 joules. Calculate the threshold frequency nu zero for the metal. Children, as we know, H nu energy is equal to H nu zero plus kinetic energy. Correct? Here, what is asked to find out? Calculate the threshold frequency, not threshold energy. We have a threshold energy as H nu zero. Here, what is asked to find out? This one only. Nu zero is asked to find out. So, what we can write is nu zero is equal to nu minus Ke upon H. Kinetic energy divided by H. What are the things given here is we have nu. How much is given? Nu is 5.2 into 10 raised to 14. Second inverse is the frequency, and kinetic energy is given. Ke is 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 19 joules, and we know Planck's constant H is equal to 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule seconds. So children, therefore threshold frequency nu zero is equal to, how much is the nu is given 5.2 into 10 raised to 14 second inverse, then minus Ke is given 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 19 joules divided by H value is 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34. This equals 5.2 into 10 raised to 14 second inverse minus 1.96 into 10 raised to 14 second inverse. Children, since both are coming in 10 raised to 14, you can simply minus 5.2 minus 1.96. We get 3.24 into 10 raised to 14 second inverse. So that is the threshold frequency for the metal. So students, practice this type of problems which are related to photoelectric effect and improve your understanding about this topic. Thank you and have a nice day.